Here's your question. What can you say about Balikatan 2011?
Madam, Balikatan 2011 is better than 2010. Thank you!
Patay! Go! Shamsi! Si Aling Tunisia!
Indonesia, handa ka na ba?
Handa na!
Ito ang question sa'yo. Kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit hindi ngayon?
Kasi po ngayon ay hindi bukas, pero kung kayo nagmamadali, go ahead, and I will follow.
Let's come forward candidate number 4.
Wala nang katawan.
Hello.
Isang question sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay isang bagay, ano ka?
Excuse me?
Kung ikaw ay isang bagay, ano ka?
Bagay. Bagay na bagay akong mag-alaga ng bata.
Nakuha, makaisa na!
And candidate number 5. What do you think is the greatest problem of our country is facing today? And what do you think is the solution for this?
Pwede yung pakiulit.
Yes.
I repeat, what do you think is the greatest problem of our country is facing today? And what do you think is the solution for this?
Ladies and gentlemen, I love my mother, I love my father, but I don't know the answer.
Sorry, no, hindi talaga kanya. Kailangan. Sakit na. Alam mo na ako.